Hello everyone, in this video we are looking at the next step, that is selling a PANDA NFT. The first step, make sure you log in. Then we go on to the menu and click on My Collection. From this page we are going to sell our first NFT. Click on NFT that you want to sell. Let's click on the sell button. Here you can see we have three input fields. First is the auction start price, that is the minimum price to place a bid. Let's set this to price of 1.5. The second is auction buy price, that is the maximum price to place a bid. After placing this bid, bidder can directly buy this NFT. Then the auction description. It's an optional field for adding a specific description or why someone should buy this NFT. Now click on start button to start the auction. Now we have successfully started the NFT auction. The page will redirect to My Collection page. Click on In Auction tab to see our NFT inside auctions. Now click on the NFT to view auction details. Here you can find all auction details. This is the bid section. The amount inside the bracket shows how many bids we got for this auction. This is the cancel auction button. Note that you can cancel the auction only till you have 0 bids. Click on this button to cancel the auction. Only for demonstration, I am doing this. You can see the auction is completed. The page will redirect to My Collection page. And now you can see the NFT is back in our My Collections. So for the auction, we will again do the NFT sale step that we have discussed. We will wait till we get any bid on this auction. After a bid is placed, click on the auction tab to see our NFT inside auctions. Now click on the NFT to view auction details. Inside the bid section, we have a bid for this NFT of 1.5 tokens. Click on accept the highest bid. The page will be reloaded automatically and we can see our auction is completed. Now the bidding amount is transferred to your wallet and this NFT is transferred to the bidder's wallet. If you look for this NFT in My Collection, you will not able to see as it's transferred to others. So third, we can sell our Panda's NFT on the platform.